Introducing the sleek, timeless elegance of the black Honda Accord, a symbol of sophistication and performance. Let's enhance its beauty with our Tiffany blue color caliper covers. Installation is a breeze. Simply align our caliper cover with the brake caliper. Next, insert the stainless steel movable clip. Secure it with the provided bolt and nut, and tighten. A final check ensures it's perfectly locked in, promising both safety and style. Behold the transformation. The black Honda Accord, now paired with our striking Tiffany blue caliper covers, stands out in any crowd. Drive with confidence. Experience the perfect blend of elegance with AOOA Racing's premium caliper covers. Ready to elevate your car's look? Visit our website or drop us a message to grab your set of caliper covers today.